guys, how's it going? Ty here from SharmaterPros.com. Sorry I've been gone, guys. I've been sick for the last 3 weeks with fever, allergies, with all that kind of stuff. My sister had her baby, so my mom went out of town for that. So I was doing all this while she was gone. So I apologize for doing that. Thank y'all for keep subscribing and everything y'all do, for commenting and rating, and thank you for everything. And tonight I have a quick unboxing for a Mini-DVI to VGA adapter for my laptop. I got this at Mac Authority a couple weeks ago. They in the newspaper was a coupon. It was like a gift card type thing that was for $10 to $2,500, and you had to go into the store. They scan it and tell you how much it is worth. Mine was just only worth $10, so I basically got $10 off this. So which regular price this was $14.99, so I got $10 off. So I got for $5. So it was a good deal on it. I was trying to decide between getting this one or the other one they have, which is the Apple brand, which was $5 more. So I went ahead and went with this because it is 8 inches, so it's like 4 inches longer than the Apple one, and it's the exact same thing. So I went and got that. So there's the back of it. And Mac Authority is a really cool store. They have a lot of good products at the store. A lot of products that are worth the money, and that they have used Macs, new Macs, and they do coupon deals all the time. I already cut this, so it'd be make it a little bit quicker video. So I'm gonna pull this back here. Go ahead and grab it back here. Set that off to the side. Here's the adapter. As you can see, it's a lot longer. You got, oh, hold on just 1 second. Right here is an actual Apple adapter. This is Mini-VGA to VGA, and this was for a friend of mine. He gave it to me. I thought it worked on my laptop, but it didn't. I was wrong. But this is for one of the old iBooks computers, and actually I need to give this back to my friend, but thank you, Josh. You know who you are. Thanks for letting me borrow it. So there's that, and this is an actual Apple one. As you can see, let me flip this over. It's 4 inches longer than the Apple one is. So I'm very impressed that this is longer, because once you plug this in your laptop and just go behind your monitor or whatever, and you won't see it, which is really nice, as in this one's way out there and everything. So having a long one is nicer. I set it off to the side there. Also, that is Mini-DVI. Has a little case thing here. You can see it now. It's not very good. It comes off too easily, in my opinion. The other end, this one stays on very nice, and that is the VGA. So let's go ahead and here's my power book. And you see it has the Mini-DVI right there. So let's just go ahead and pull that off there. Pull off the yellow cap and slide that off to the side. Now I do have my TV right above me here, and it is turned on to the VGA port. So let's go ahead and look at this. Plug it in. That plugged in really nicely. So there's that. So you can see it matches the computer very nicely, and it looks a lot like the Apple one when you plug it in. So this is longer. Grab this over here. Here is a VGA cable that's plugged into my TV. Let me slide that over so I can get this on camera. So it's just going to plug that in right there, and you can screw these down, which I'll go ahead and screw down. Let's hope this works. Open this up. My screen did go blank here. Let's just do that. Both of the screen flashes. And there you go. As you can see here, the screen did resort back to the original blue. I don't know why it did that. So there's this my laptop down there. Let's go ahead. It is mirroring the image. Okay. So let's go ahead. Let me back this camera up a little bit so y'all get a better picture. I'm gonna go over here to zoom in. Go over here to the Apple. You're gonna go down to System Preferences. It's gonna go over here to let's go over here to Displays, and there we go. Let's see. So it is saying mirroring them. So let's go back over here. Okay, here we go. Down here in the bottom left corner, it asks for a mirror display, so I'm going to unclick that. Both my screen flashes. Okay. It's nice having a 32-inch screen here. It's nice. So it is detecting that my screen is there. So I'm going to let it know that it is down there. And there's my PowerBook screen, and there's my that is my 32-inch TV. Hey guys, sorry about that. I had to go real quick. My parents need me for something. But here we go, back on to the screen here. Just a simple note for part of this small tutorial, we might say, to get the screensaver wall, you just go up here to System, go click on Apple, System Preferences. Here you come up with this, and I already showed you the display setting and everything, but you want to click on Desk and Screensaver, Desktop Screensaver. That comes up, and there's your screensaver, there's that, and on the other monitor it comes up with the same thing, so you pick on each monitor which thing you want to do, and so there's that, and I already picked the picture that I wanted to, so that's how you do that. You can see here there's the let me bring the camera down just a little bit, pull this back, there we go. As you can see, there's the dock down there. Let's go ahead and click on Safari, and there's your Safari, and there's the Apple Store. Click on my website. There's a website looking good, shopmediapros.com. Yeah, new picture up there. And there's all the YouTube channels, and you do see over here that I changed the layout of my website a little bit and different stuff like that for the website, and so it's all looking pretty nice. And also, please check out the website. I've done a lot of work on it, so just go ahead and check that out. And of course, you got iTunes and everything. So I thank y'all for watching this, and hope you all enjoyed. And this is just an unboxing and quick tutorial of the VGA adapter for the PowerBook or MacBook Pros. I think I will be getting hopefully getting a 15-inch MacBook Pro here soon, one of the old ones, and so that there's an unboxing coming on that here soon. So y'all look out for that in the just look out for that here soon, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, guys.